Yo, what's going on guys, it's Pokey the Collector back again with another video. In today's video we're just going to be unboxing the Apple MacBook Air from 2020 with the brand spanking new M1 chip. Now before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay notified of when I upload. Also, here are today's shout outs on the screen. Comment down below if you want one and I will select some comments to shout out. Now that's done with me talking, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, first of all, like we always do guys, we're going to take a look at the box. So on the front we have a side view photo of the Apple MacBook that is inside. Down here is the MacBook Air, and then on this side is the Apple logo, and this is basically copied onto this side, and also, if I can just turn this thing around, also onto this side. Now let's look at the bottom of the box. It has some of the specifications and what's inside. So it has an 8GB unified memory with a 256GB SSD. It's a 13-inch MacBook Air with a Apple M1 chip, and it includes a 13-inch MacBook Air, USB-C power adapter and a USB-C charging cable. The rest will be up here, so the rest of the fine print and features will be up on the screen. So now that we're done taking a look at the box, let's get to unboxing. Okay guys, starting off to unbox this thing, there's a small plastic tab, and what you're gonna do is just grab onto it and pull. I'm just gonna bring my mic close so you guys can hear. It just takes off the plastic, and then once that's off, okay, here is the box. That actually sounded really nice, that sticker peel right there. So that's just the plastic layer of the MacBook that comes when you buy it brand new. So now let's just lift up the box slowly because a MacBook's inside. It should just come up like any other Apple box. There we go. Let's put it off to one side and gently pull up this tab to take out this really nice MacBook. So here's the MacBook. Like I said, this is just an unboxing, but if you guys would like, and if it's highly requested, I will do some more videos on this MacBook. So inside of here is the charging brick. This is standard. They have this weird, like, Apple has done some weird stuff to their products. Like for the iPhone, they've been removing some certain stuff. Yeah, so basically this will slide in like so to make it lock. Then inside of here, designed by Apple in California, we have the Apple MacBook Air. We have some papers about it. We have the iconic Apple stickers. I'm going to be sure to stick them on some stuff. Then we have the charging cable. I believe this is the USB-C cable. So they changed up their cables for a lot of their products, and if we lift this up, maybe there's something underneath, I'm not sure. Okay, no, we cannot lift this up. So that's all of that out of the way. I'm now going to take a quick look at all of this in detail. Okay guys, I have laid out everything. Now we're going to take off the plastic off the MacBook. So I'll let you guys take a listen to this. That sounds really nice. Now this MacBook is very light and very thin, so let's just quickly open this up and see what's on it. So off the bat it starts, as you could hear that iconic Apple sound. So it starts by itself as soon, and there's already like a screen protector. It's not exactly a screen protector, but they just put it in the box. So the keypad's already lit up. It feels really good. It's nice and slim. I will set it up later, but not right now. This was just to show you what happens when you open it. On the bottom we have some rubber feet, so there's grip.
English is the main language.
So basically, yeah, so the setup is going off in the background, and yeah, so down here we have an aux port, I believe that is, or TRRS port, a tip, ring and sleeve. There's a photo of it up there. Then we have these two USB-C ports, and that's about it for the ports. And then you have just the opening and closing system. So basically it's your classic MacBook, and over here you have the bricks, and let me demonstrate how you would slide this on. So take off this plastic, and then you would take off this plastic, Okay, and then what you would do is, because it's rubber, you would just slide it on and connect it like so. It has this nice click, and then the cable would just go into here. So they changed their ports on basically everything now. Apple is starting to change a lot of their things, and then that's how you set up the charging brick. And that's all for today's video, because I was just gonna go over the unboxing and just like some simple stuff about this laptop or MacBook. But if you guys do really want, and if it's highly requested, then I will do some comparisons and some tests if you guys want. Now, if you want to do it, then just comment down below yes or no if you would like me to actually go into this MacBook a little bit further. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.